Hi everybody, it's Alice with It's a Cake Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very easy homemade chocolate. All you need is a boiler. This is called a double boiler. And all that is a pot with a little water in it, not letting the bowl touch the water. And you set the bowl on top and you go ahead and boil it on low to medium heat. The first thing we're going to do in making our easy homemade chocolate is we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut oil to our bowl, just like this, guys. We're going to go ahead and get that melted. Now keep in mind, I didn't speed this video up so you can see how much time it takes to make your easy homemade chocolate. So all you're going to do is let this coconut oil melt. Just go ahead and give it a stir there. And again, this is on low to medium heat. What I'm doing now is just grabbing my whisk. We're going to go ahead and speed up this melting process. There we go. Just keep whisking, guys, until it's all melted. It's very important that all of your coconut oil melt completely. There we go. And keep in mind, it takes patience to make this easy homemade chocolate. All right, it's starting to melt pretty good. I now have it on a medium heat to speed up the melting. All right, we are getting there, guys. Hang in there. And just keep whisking away until it's all melted completely. And this is going to be fantastic for you to make this easy recipe with your family and friends, or for your family and friends. So you want to just keep whisking just like this. There we go. We are definitely getting there, guys. Once you get your coconut oil melted, you'll see the process is much faster. There we go. It looks pretty good, guys. What do you think? Next, what I'm going to do is add in 1/2 cup of sifted cocoa powder. You want to make sure everything that you incorporate in this easy homemade chocolate is sifted. So we're going to go ahead and grab that cocoa powder. There it is. Now don't add all of it at one time. Just add a little bit, mix it, and add the rest. All right, go ahead and whisk it all up, guys. Make sure it gets incorporated really good. There we go. Keep whisking. This is a delicious, wonderful homemade chocolate, guys. You're going to find it very, very good. And just whisk away, guys. There we go. Go ahead and add in the rest of that cocoa powder. And remember, if you want more chocolate, you can double it, triple it, or what have you to make your recipe. All right, grab that whisk and keep whisking. This is the most delicious, easy homemade chocolate ever. It will be the last chocolate recipe you'll ever use. Now, I am making chocolate, homemade chocolate. If you want white chocolate, only thing you do is use white cocoa powder. If you want colored chocolate, all you do is use white cocoa powder and add just a drop of food coloring to it, and it will give you a different color chocolate. And just whisk away, guys. There we go. Now what I'm doing now, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and grab my spatula. And I'm just going to take some of the chocolate off the edges. This is important that you do this every now and again. Just scrape those sides. Very good. All right, grab that whisk and let's keep on going. Whisk, whisk, whisk away. All right, next what I'm going to do is add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of sifted powdered sugar. Again, you want to make sure all your ingredients is sifted. Now, if you do not want a sweet chocolate, do not do this part. You can get unsweetened cocoa and do not add the powdered sugar, and that will give you your unsweetened chocolate. And keep on whisking, guys. You're going to be the talk of the family to be able to make homemade chocolate. This is such an easy homemade chocolate, and it is absolutely delicious. And here what I'm doing is adding just the rest of the powdered sugar. There we go. Get all of that out of there. Very good. Now go ahead and continue to whisk. I cannot wait for you guys to try this chocolate. You are going to absolutely love it. And keep whisking. Look how silky it looks, guys. Just beautiful. Keep in mind, you definitely want to keep this on a low temperature or medium temperature. Continue to scrape those sides. Now I scrape just the top of the sides. Some may go a little deeper to scrape the sides. However, I do not find that necessary. Go ahead and scrape those sides with my other hand. And continue to whisk this silky, easy homemade chocolate into existence. Next, what I'm going to do is add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, you do not have to do this part. I do like a little vanilla in my chocolate. And if you like this part, go ahead and add it. If you do not, you do not have to add it. The chocolate is still delicious. And whisk away, guys. We're almost there, guys. Continue to whisk. Just bringing this silkiness together here. We're almost done. All right, next what I'm doing is adding in a pinch of salt. There we go, and just whisk that in together, just like this. All right, guys, this is easy homemade chocolate. If you run out of chocolate, this is a very easy recipe. If you need it for your cakes or your desserts, you don't have any chocolate, it's very easy to use the ingredients that you have at home to make homemade chocolate. This is absolutely delicious chocolate, guys. Believe me, you have to try this and let me know that you're trying this. I would appreciate that. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's carry this channel further. If these videos are helping you, please let me know. Show me videos that you've made it. I would appreciate that. Delicious homemade chocolate. Look at here, guys. The silkiness is beautiful. Now I'm going to get ready to show you what your chocolate can do. So go ahead and get you something to be able to pour your chocolate into a mold. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the bowl now and just add it to this easy pouring mug that I have here. Look at the silkiness, guys. This is homemade chocolate. Beautiful chocolate. Look at there, guys. The silkiness is unbelievable. Just beautiful sheen. Next, go ahead and just add your chocolate to any mold of your preference. There we go. Continue to pour, and I'm going to go ahead and add it into another mold. This is a candy bar mold. You can add peanuts or what have you to this mold. All right, look at here, guys. Wow, look at this beautiful chocolate. Please make this chocolate because I promise you, you will love it. It is absolutely delicious chocolate. Look at there, guys. Look how beautiful it comes out of the mold. Here's the candy bar one. How about that, guys? And stay tuned next week. I'm making a very, very popular chocolate. Here it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful, wonderful day.